Alright guys, so this is June Plum. Some people know it as Jew Plum. So I'm going to use it to make a drink today. This drink is a traditional drink in Jamaica. You can just either use June Plum, water and ginger, but I'm adding pineapple. So very simple to make. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with peeling my June plum. Right. I like to peel it so. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove basically the flesh from the seed. Some people blend it with the seed, but I don't want to do that today. So this is how it looks, guys. So now let's blend. So I'm going to add June plum to the blender. (16 ounces of water). So that's like 31 ounces of water. Alright, so pineapple now. It's roughly 68 chunks of pineapple. Now ginger. So let's blend. Alright guys, time to strain. Alright guys, so this is not everything. I'm going to juice the rest later. So this is just for 1 glass. So now I'm going to add brown sugar, just for sweetness. Alright, stir it out. And this is basically it. Alright guys, so I'm going to add some ice to my glass. It's a hot day, so you know I need a fresh glass of June plum juice. I'm going to garnish with pineapple wedge and the pineapple leaf. Something simple. Don't stop it. Alright guys, so remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Remember to like the channel and share the channel. You can ask any questions below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram at Cocktails Jamaica. So thank you guys for watching.